everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk with you all or share with you all about building your confidence up when it comes to basically drawing different types of lines. So in this exercise, I'm going to kind of demonstrate with you all, and then I would like for you all to give it a shot, in your spare time, and keep practicing at it, and let me know how things go or how they turn out for you, and building up your confidence when it comes to drawing a variety of different lines. So now, let's start off with the vertical line. So I'm going to draw a group of lines here. And notice how I'm holding my pencil, almost quite similar to how we write or how we've been taught how to write, going from left to right. So I'm going to go from left to right on my drawing paper here as well. So I'm going to start here with some vertical lines here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to space it out, give a little bit of space here, and draw my next set of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice as I'm drawing my lines, notice that I am pretty much using my fingers and my wrists, kind of like a little flicker there. I'm going to space out and do my next set of 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm using the 2B pencil. I've got a little bit of a darker lead here so that you all can see this a little bit better on my video. I mean, you can use an HB pencil, that should be fine. But what I want you to observe here, and you might want to take notes as you do your exercise as well, is I want you to observe, as I'm doing the lines, the negative space that I'm creating between each line. And the ideal here is, as you're doing your lines, you want to build your confidence up and, in a sense, creating mirrored lines, if that makes sense. Mirrored lines being the same length, the same space, or as close as you possibly can, just from an eyeballing at the same negative space in between each line. Okay? And let's give it one more go here on our vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Excuse me. So now, none of these lines are actually going to be 100% perfect. So don't worry about the perfection in this. But you just want to try to get your lines, in sync and as best as you can. And at the same time, building your confidence up more and more each time you do this exercise. So we can also go down here a little bit underneath, and we can do horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it could be a little bit tasky, a little bit challenging, right? And if you notice, my lines are not as perfect, but you want to go through the exercise and just keep focusing on doing the lines as close as you possibly can. Okay? Again, remembering the negative space between each line as you go through them. And you can also do smaller versions of this. Smaller versions or clustered versions. So now, if you continue to practice this exercise, ideally where you want to get to is you want to get your speed going faster, right? Build your speed up, which ultimately is you're gaining more confidence in doing your line drawing. So if I was to continuously do this vertical line across my paper, it would go something in this kind of sense. Okay? So now this here, in a sense, right, again, is our vertical lines and our horizontal lines. Now we can also do parallel lines. Parallel lines meaning somewhat like so. Again, concentrating on mirroring each pair of parallel lines. And we can also come back in the opposite direction. Now, again, this is all in the movement of my fingers along with my wrist. But drawing really can be also with involving the entire arm as well. Okay. So give this a go, right? The more you do it, the more your wrist becomes loose and more comfortable in the movement when the direction of the line that you are doing this exercise in. Go ahead and post your exercise onto my comment section down below. Let me know how it turns out for you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you are notified when I do post new videos. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.